Hello dear customer, this is Christine from QLQ company. Today I would like to show you our QLQ automatic double slide mounting and zipper cutting machine. The output is about 1100 pieces to 1200 pieces 30 cm per hour, and this is the whole view of the machine. This machine can cut one length 15 cm to 150 cm. If you want to cut longer lengths, you can add a vise, and then this machine can cut 15 cm to unlimited length. This machine is principle to produce zipper for luggage zipper, bed zipper, bedding zipper, and sofa. For this machine, there have three advantages. The first one, these machines can mount two sliders and cut long chain zippers directly at the same time without gapping them. It saves raw material, labor costs, and improves the production efficiencies. And the second one, it is easy to operate this machine because the zipper's length is set by the control screen. This control screen can set up some detail, for example the length. If you want to cast 15 cm or 19 cm, you can set up the detail on the screen on the PLC. And this machine has two vibrators which can mount two different sliders at the same time. You can see the pictures, they have two vibrating frames. So this machine can mounting two sliders, and you can see this in my hand. There have a sample made from this machine. There have two sliders and cap zipper. So if you want to know more detail about this machine, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.